Hey guys, Raider here. Hope you're all doing great and having a fantastic day. So hey, did you just pick up the Tab S8 Ultra? Well, if so, then you should consider one of these screen protectors. Here's the reasons why. I'll tell you why you need a tempered glass screen protector. So let's look at the Tab S7 Plus. So when I get the keyboard cover for the Tab S8 Ultra, I intend on doing the same thing as this, and that is always using it with this keyboard cover on. Like I always travel with this, even walking around in the house and stuff. I just feel a lot more confident with it on there. And it also feels nice too. It makes it feel like a little mini laptop, you know? But the only problem is on this keyboard, there are 4 little nubs, 2 on each side, that every time you close in on the case, they're hitting right on the screen. And in addition to that, when you walk with this, when you move, it's not like a laptop. This clamshell here wiggles a little bit. See it sliding up and down? Let me see if I can show you that. Goes up and down a little bit. So every time that you're moving with it and stuff, it's constantly rubbing that little bit of hard plastic. It's like a soft plastic hard rubber. I'm not really sure. I'm pretty sure it's like a soft plastic, but it just keeps rubbing right on the screen. So I am not cool with that, especially on the Tab S8 Ultra where we get a bigger screen and it's thinner. I do not want that rubbing on there. Next reason why is the notch. These cameras, first off, these cameras are awesome. Like the facial recognition for face unlock is amazing on this compared to the S7 Plus. The thing is, when you put a tempered screen glass protector on here, it's basically going to put 1/3 of a millimeter, so 0.33 of a millimeter shield, you know, a layer on top of here. So if this ever gets laid down upside down, like somebody doesn't know about tablets in your house, some comes over and moves it, I'm sure you won't do it yourself, but you know, somebody might get their hands on your tablet, and it'll end up face down like this. Now you're right on top of this camera array and right on top of the screen. It's not like when you have a phone and you have a phone case, you know, and you have a lip around it to where when you put it on there, it's raised above it. You don't have that luxury on these tablets. So that's another reason. The third reason, and probably the most important reason to me anyway, is peace of mind. You know, you put that tempered glass on there, it helps kind of reinforce the screen in case you do have that, God forbid, you actually drop this thing. I would not want to be the person that drops this thing. But if you did, it might be your saving grace in that it's enough to help absorb that impact along with the glass and help it from actually breaking. I wouldn't want to chance it, but you know, it does give some peace of mind there. Plus, you never know who's going to get their fingers and all that. You don't want that gross stuff all over your screen directly. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this on here. What we have today is the Spigen EZ Fit 9H Hardness tempered glass screen protector for the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. I ordered this off Amazon. I just looked before this order and it's currently unavailable. Looks like they sold out. I'll tell you what, the package came pretty beat up. So let me go ahead and unbox this stuff real quick and we'll get to it. All right, let's just get this out of the way because we were a little low on room. This little packaging. All right, looks like we got a little easy installation card here. I'm gonna take a little screen of that real quick. All right. What else do we get? All right, so this is going to be the tempered glass itself. All right, here we go. All right. And the rest is just packaging underneath. These are going to be your wipes, cleaning wipes, dust remover, and a squeegee scrubbing tool to get all the bubbles out. We'll open that in just a second. And then this is pretty neat. I've never installed something that had it like this. So normally when I install a screen protector, you go like this and you have like 3 little tabs that you stick on the edge of your tablet or your phone, and you just fold the screen protector over, get it all squeegee down and all that stuff, and you just pull the tabs off. I've never seen something with a dedicated thing here. So let me sit here and figure this out real quick. All right, so we can tell the orientation just by looking at it real closely. You can see right here, we have a cutout for the camera notch, the camera array on the back. So let's go ahead and drop the tablet in here. So the key thing, guys, if you haven't done, well, I'm a little nervous with one this size, but if you haven't done the larger size one, is really just to take your time, be patient, and really make sure you have the screen totally clean. You don't even want any dust on there whatsoever, because what'll happen is it won't allow air bubbles to escape, and you'll end up with little tiny air sockets basically stuck underneath your screen. All right, I'm gonna grab some scissors because this thing's trolling me. I'll be right back. All right, here's your little squeegee tool that it comes with. Get this wrapper out of here. Looks like we have 2 different wipes. Lens cleaner, they're the same. And we're gonna have a couple cleaning cloths after you're done. And this is gonna be a dust particle remover. You just pull this off here and you just blotch it down on the screen. We'll go over that in a second. All right, so the only things we really care about is this, the squeegee, and the cleaning wipes. Let's go ahead and get a cleaning wipe out. All right, just take your time. I've been using this for just about a day without a screen protector on. It's got all kinds of smudges. Okay, next, go ahead and grab this, dry it off real quick. And this will most likely leave behind a few little particles, and that's what the next step is for. Now we want to get the dust remover thing. So the way this works is you pull this comes apart, comes off here. It's just a sticker on the back. We just go along. I just go all the way around the edge, and I start bringing it inside. And you want to, after you go around a little bit, change where you're at on it so you're not letting any of the dust that you lifted off come back down on it. You may be thinking, why would you do this step last? Why are you using this sticky thing? This is actually needed because you want every little last piece off before we put this protector on. There's 2 of them, but I don't think we need both. And at this point, I'm not trying to touch the tablet in any way. I don't want to get any fingerprints, nothing. All right. All right. Now, it's time. All we need left is the squeegee and the actual screen protector itself. Let me grab that. Okay, slides out of here. All right, so the way this works is we're gonna go ahead and do a trial fit real quick. Let's see what this looks like. All right, and it has 2 little notches that look like they kind of are supposed to lock into place here when you have it on right. Let me see. All right, there we go. So I had it reversed. So when you put it on, you want to make sure the press is over on this side instead of that side. I'm an idiot. All right, that looks like a really good fit. So this guide looks like it's really working well. All right, let's go ahead and commit to this. So we pull up on here, you see where it says back right here? All right. Yikes, here we go. Nice and easy. There we go. Ooh, that made me a little nervous. So now we want to press in the middle section like this. Squeegee. We have this back film here. All right, so now we just want to squeegee it out. And take your time. I'll do this for like a good 10 minutes or so. It's a big screen protector. Let's keep pushing. So after you do this, don't even bother with the fingerprint scanner for at least 2 or 3 days. Then you can register it after a lot of these bubbles come out. All the visible ones will be out by then, but there'll still be microscopic ones you won't be able to see. And then you want to register your fingerprints again, like, total of like a week, a few more days after that. And it'll be just fine. All right, guys, we are just wrapping up here. It's looking pretty good. There's still a few more bubbles. I'm not worried about them at all. Put on a few of these in my day. They just take a little time, especially on a screen this big. It's like putting a screen protector on a laptop, There's still a few big ones. I'll work it after the video. But let's take a look. All right. Looks good. Yeah, looks good. All right, this is the installation of the Spigen EZ Fit 9H Hardness tempered glass screen protector for the Glas.tR EZ Fit Ultra. As always, guys, thanks for watching.